Hello everyone, welcome back to Mogumachi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I paint and blend using smudge tool in Procreate. Actually, I already made a video before, but it's blurred and I asked in Instagram whether to redo it or not. So yes, let's redo it. I always draw in square size, but 300 dpi. This video is requested by Shindy in Instagram and I thought, sure, let's do this. Let's start with the sketch first. There are only several brushes that I used constantly in Procreate. Mostly I use free comic ink brush from Georg. Specifically, I use the Elder 2. For this bread, I have no reference, so I just try to make the shape round and pretty. Warp tools is definitely my favorite in making this shape better. Just make sure it's not too distorted because the edges tend to be blurred. Now, I'll show you how I blend. First, put the layer in alpha lock, then paint another color on the same layer. Now pick smudge tool and change the brush for smudge tool. I use stucco from painting section. This one is originally from Procreate, so you must have it already. As you can see, I changed nothing in the settings. I just use it as it is. Adjust the size and slowly blend the colors. I add more colors and blend using smudge tool continuously, while also adjusting the brush size. The reason why I use stucco brush for blending is not to lose the texture. If I use soft round brush, the texture will be gone. To be honest, I only use smudge tool in Procreate. When I paint using the Photoshop, I try to blend all the colors using brush tools only. Not sure why, but I guess the stucco in Procreate really is a blessing for me. I actually accidentally used this brush and I always use it ever since. So I was like trying to find the brush that I liked and it just really strikes different when I used it. I don't really like eating bread actually, but the funny thing is, painting bread is so fun. The roundness, the little burnt because of the oven, I just love it. That's why you can see me painting bread a lot in my Instagram. I also like to spice up the colors using additional layer that's set into overlay mode. It will give a burnt color that I need for this bread. If the color is off, you can always adjust it. I usually do a lot of adjustment in the Photoshop because adding it in layer gives me security. If I want to edit it back, I can do it every time, but in Procreate it's not like that. But for this one, I try to use all the feature in Procreate only. For the line, once again I use the Elder 2. For the highlight, I use the same technique, but I use a bigger smudge brush size because I want to keep that raw highlight. Sometimes I add additional multiply layer when I need to give shadows like this one. And in this part I use soft round brush. So yeah, that's how I paint and blend in Procreate. Mostly I use this technique a lot because I love that stucco brush for blending. The link for Georg brush is in the description below. If you guys have any question or request, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.